So, so like I said, index and match is one of the functions that searches two-dimensionally. It will search the data row-wise and it will search the data column-wise. HLOOKUP searches data row-wise, VLOOKUP searches data column-wise. But these are one-dimensional functions. We need is a two-dimensional function for which we have to use index along with match. Index basically says that give me an array, which is this, then give me the row number, tell me which row are you searching from, and tell me the column, which column are you searching from. When you tell the row, when you tell the column, it will intersect and to give you the value output. Now, we can't give in numbers. There has to be a way I can find the numeric position of a data within a range. Okay, and this data within a range will be what? So let's say I want to find the numeric position. In fact, let me delete both of these so that I can explain you. We don't need this right now. So I want to find the numeric position of July in this range. So do I have a function for that? Yes, I do. I have over here is match. Okay, and match will say, give me a lookup value. So that's my lookup value, comma, give me a lookup array. So where is August? Where do you have August? In which array? That's the array. And comma, 0 we put because I want exact match. So it gives me 8. It tells me that August is the 8th location. Excellent. In the same way, I will say is equals to match and tell me the numeric position of week. So look up for week 4, look up for week 4 from this array and comma 0. Here we go. So it gives me 4 over here. Yes or no?
Yes.
4, why? Because week 4 is in the 4th location. Now, altogether, if we use this, obviously, all I have to give is I can implement altogether. So I have to provide is the row number. So that's my row, okay? And that's my column. And that's how I get this value. Obviously, I can implement over here as well. I can use match here and I can use match here as well, okay? If you want me, I can implement directly over here. So I can use match for the row. So again, the story starts again. That's my lookup value. That's my row range and comma 0. Then I have to find for the column. So I use match again. So now for the column, this is my lookup value, comma, this is my array, right, and comma 0. Once you press enter, yes, it gives me the value. So it's independent of these two now. I've done it separately. So that's your index and match. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In order to practice your index and match, there are some papers which are really good. For example, you have is June 2010 P2. Then you have is November 2011 P2. Okay. Then you have a very interesting paper, which is June 2014 P4. So we will be doing this somehow a bit afterwards. Okay. Now, I was going to solve one of these papers with you today, but you know, there's still